Hey there, it's Dave. I'm excited to announce the launch of our new map views and table views on all of our project dashboards that will transform the way that you view and manage your projects. So I'm currently on the main project dashboard, which is the overall dashboard and kicking off point where you'll be able to see all of your leads, your active projects, and completed projects in your account. And you'll notice we have this table view option here. But then you'll notice we have a new map view option. So this new map view option, it provides a whole new way for you to visualize your projects. The map view basically just plots all of your leads, active projects, and your completed projects on a map view. So that way you can have a high level overall visual map view of every project that you've created in your account. So if you're an investor that has a lot of leads or deals under your belt, this map view is really going to help you visualize and identify areas where you've got a high concentration of projects. So our new map view, it'll hopefully help you identify patterns in where your projects are located over time. So maybe you'll notice that you're expanding into new territories, or maybe you're having the most success by just sticking to familiar areas. So this map view can really help you visualize and spot market trends on where you're having the most success on your deals. The new map view is also going to help you for planning out efficient driving routes. So if you have some leads, active projects, or even completed projects in a certain area or neighborhood, you can use our new map view to help you plan out efficient driving routes. So maybe you're going to go out and you're going to go driving for dollars to go look at multiple leads that you have in a specific neighborhood. You could go out and figure out the best route to go drive to all those leads. And maybe you've got an active project in the same neighborhood, the same area. You could plan out an efficient driving route so you could check out some leads and then go stop by one of your active construction projects that you got going on so you can check in on progress. These map views, we've added it here to our main project dashboard, but they're also going to be on all of our other dashboards. So on your leads dashboard, your active projects, and portfolio dashboards, we've also added this map view as an option there on all three of those dashboards. So if you wanted to go over to your current leads dashboard, you'll see a new option there. You'll see the map view option, and this is going to map all of your leads that you've got in your account and put it on a map. So if you just wanted to see a map view of specifically just your leads or just your active projects, or if you go to your completed portfolio, you'd be able to see a map view of all of your projects in a dedicated view based upon what stage they're in. You'll also notice here we've got a third option. So previously on our leads dashboard, we only had the pipeline view, which is our workflow view that shows you the overall stage and status of the deals, and you can easily drag and drop those properties through your pipeline, your project pipeline. But now we've added in a third option. So you've got your pipeline view, you've got your new map view, which we just showed you, and now you have your new table view option, which is going to provide you with a lot more detailed information about important data points about your specific leads, your active projects, and your portfolio. So specifically on our new leads table view, this table gives you a detailed view of the financial analysis that you performed for the property. So the lead table, it starts off with the stage and status of the deal. You can also see the lead source of where that lead came in from. And then it gives you a detailed breakdown of the financial analysis that was performed on the property. So that way you can see important data points like the after repair value, the purchase amount, the renovation costs, your buying, holding, and selling costs, and then the calculated profit in the deal. And then you can even see on the right here, you've got a breakdown of how much cash and outside funding is going to be required to purchase the property. So that way you can see how much cash you'll need on hand or how much funding you're going to need to raise for all of your leads that you've got in your current pipeline. And then another nice feature that our new leads table has is we've added in the ability to export your data to a spreadsheet. So that way, if you want to get this information out to Excel or Google Sheets, you can run your own custom calculations. So let's go hop over to our active project dashboard, and I'm going to show you our new table view over there. So the active project dashboard is where you can see all of your active projects that you have under contract and currently are under construction. So the active project dashboard, it's going to have a similar pipeline view to what you saw over there on the leads pipeline. It's got the pipeline view, and it's going to have a map view, but it's also going to have our new table view. So on the left of this table view, you're going to see detailed information about the stage and status of the project, as well as risks and outstanding tasks that need to get done for the project. And then over here on the right, this is going to focus on the important dates and milestones of the project, like when was the property purchased, when is construction scheduled to be started and completed, and then when is the ultimate goal of getting the property sold and completed by. And then on the right of this active projects table, you'll find the high level budget information, which is going to compare your budget versus actuals for the project. And all this information feeds from your project accounting features. So the all-in budget, this is just the total budget that you have for all of your project costs for purchasing, renovating the property, and other stuff like buying, holding, financing, and selling costs. And then the spent to date column, this shows you how much you've spent to date on the project, which feeds over from the expense tracker tool for that project. And then ultimately what you're able to do here is compare the over and underages and variances between what your budget was versus actuals, and then forecast if it's going to be over or under budget. And again, you can export this data to a spreadsheet or a PDF if you're wanting to share it with your team. And so the final new table view that we added was to our portfolio. And this is going to be where you can see all of your successfully completed projects that you've completed in your company's history. So our new table view on the portfolio dashboard focuses on the completed financial results of your projects. So on the left, you can see when you bought and sold the property, and then on the right side of the section, it focuses on the final financial results, which feed from the income and expense tracker tools for the project. So this table, it really focuses on the final income that you received from selling the property, and then it breaks down all of the final costs that you incurred for purchasing the property, renovating the property, as well as all your buying, holding, and selling costs. And then it ultimately calculates your final profit that you made on the deal. So this final portfolio table, this is going to be a good view for you if you're wanting to see what your final numbers were for all of your completed and sold projects. And this will be a good view that you can use for sharing with your business partners and lenders to tell them, hey, this is our experience and this is what we've successfully completed, so that way you can build credibility and raise money for your projects. You'll also notice we have a rental holdings and wholesale holdings table. This is where you can see other important information for properties that you are currently holding and renting long term, or if you've got any existing wholesale listings that you're holding and actively trying to resell. Again, this portfolio table can be exported to a CSV or PDF, so that way you can share your portfolio and provide proof of experience for raising money from your business partners and lenders. So we hope you love our new map view and our table views that we've added to all of our dashboards. If you have any suggestions on new data points or any ways that we can improve our new dashboard views for you, please let us know.